Today, I'll show you how to fix a Chime transfer failure. If you've ever encountered issues while trying to transfer money using the Chime app, you know how frustrating it can be. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through a simple process to help you troubleshoot and resolve these problems efficiently. First, let's start by making sure your Chime app is up to date. Open your App Store on your device and see if there are any available updates for the Chime app. Having the latest version ensures that you have all the recent bug fixes and improvements, which can sometimes resolve transfer issues. Next, double-check that you have enough available funds in your account to cover the transfer. It might seem obvious, but it's an easy step to overlook, especially if you're dealing with multiple transactions. Remember, having sufficient funds is crucial to a successful transfer. Once you've confirmed your balance, it's time to verify the recipient's information. Go over the details carefully to ensure that everything is entered correctly. This includes checking the recipient's name, account number, and any other necessary details. A small typo can lead to a big problem, so it's worth taking a moment to review this information thoroughly. Another factor to consider is Chime's transfer limits. Make sure you haven't exceeded these limits, as this can cause your transfer to fail. If you're unsure about what these limits are, you can usually find this information in the app under the transfer section or by visiting Chime's official website. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it's time to clear your app's cache. Clearing the cache can help eliminate any temporary data that might be causing the problem. After clearing the cache, sign out of your account and then sign back in. This can help refresh your connection to Chime servers. Additionally, check to ensure that your account is not restricted or locked, as this could also prevent successful transfers. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix most Chime transfer failures. Remember, keeping your app updated and verifying all your information carefully can prevent many common transfer issues. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you found it useful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tutorials. Have a great day.